This video will take you through detailed comparison of Salesforce Standard Lookup with Enhanced Autocomplete Lookup. To begin with, we will navigate through Standard Lookup functionality of Salesforce. Opportunity. Managing information for sale and pending deal requires account and contact person information. For example, we have a prospecting sales deal with organization Enzigma and the contact person is Steve Johnson. Let's create new opportunity using Salesforce Standard Lookup for account and contact. Before creating opportunity, we will begin with creating account. For this scenario, we will create account with name Enzigma. Let's put in required information and address information. Once all the information is filled, we will save this account. Similarly, the process repeats for contact. Under account Enzigma, we will go ahead and create new contact for Steve Johnson. Let's provide all the required information as well as address information. Once account and contact are created in Salesforce, we would be able to use them in our opportunity. Let's create opportunity with account Enzigma and contact Steve Johnson. Salesforce Standard Lookup will allow the users to search account name from the available accounts in this instance. For this scenario, let's search for account Enzigma. Similarly, with contact lookup, we will search for contact Steve Johnson. Let's fill in all the required information and then we can save this opportunity. In this way, using Salesforce Standard Lookup, we searched and selected desired account and contact. Now let's have a look to Enhanced Autocomplete Lookup. This lookup has been created by Enzigma to achieve motifs of Salesforce Lookup but with added user friendliness. As the name itself signifies, lookup is binded with autocomplete feature. Thus, account has been provided with autocomplete search function. User can either search or else create new account. Considering similar scenario, let's create account Enzigma and provide all the details here. Enhanced Autocomplete Lookup will also allow the users to create a new contact under account. So here we will be creating new contact for Steve Johnson and will provide all the other information. Saving this will create new account for Enzigma as well as contact Steve Johnson under account Enzigma. So as you can see how easy it becomes to create account and contact under one roof and with minimal clicks. Not only this, but editing account and contact also becomes simple by using enhanced autocomplete lookup. First, let's go through Salesforce standard functionality for editing account and contact. Let's try to change some information which we provided in account Enzigma. Clicking on edit button on account will allow the users to edit all the information on account Enzigma. Let's change the billing state here and we will save this account. Similarly for contact, we will go through the same process to make those changes on contact Steve Johnson. Let's save this contact information. As we can see that we have to individually navigate through account and contact in order to make any changes in them. Now let's see how can we perform this same action with less navigation and less clicks using enhanced autocomplete lookup, which will definitely save your time. To begin with, we will first search for account Enzigma. It will display all the matching records with the text searched. Selecting account Enzigma from the list will display details of Enzigma. Not only this, it will also display contact under this account, thus saving time to search and select for contact. In case of multiple contacts of an account, the list will display associate contacts of the particular account and will allow the user to select the desired contact. So with only 2 clicks we have account and contact details with us now, and from here we would be able to change address details. Saving this will update account, contact and opportunity with the information provided. It's as simple as never before. To conclude, enhanced autocomplete lookup makes it simpler and easier for us to achieve same objective in Salesforce, but with a difference. It not only saves your time, but indeed adds user friendliness to our functionality. Thank you.